Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, with another edition of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are out here at 3361 Casalette. It is a tri-point plan for. It's the largest of the Arden series. Plan for 2716 square feet, I believe.
2716. And you know, tri-point is our fave.
Yes. This is the second one that we've videoed this week. So I'm excited to see this one.
This is incredible.
I love the fireplace on that back wall.
Yes, it's so nice. And I love the flooring. The flooring is crazy pretty.
Yeah, so 9-foot ceilings, tile all down.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
So the cool thing about this one is you get a bedroom down, which could also double as an office with a walk-in closet, or a great guest room because you have a full bath here with that. Shub tower, shub tower. Shub tower!
Shub tower?
That's what I said.
He meant a tub shower.
Tub and shower.
But that tub was really deep.
It is.
Super nice.
That's what I like about the tri-point.
This is going to be a lot of storage. I love some storage.
You get the storage under there. We've seen some of these where they put the dog door out through there, and then with a little dog house through there, which is cool under the stairs.
Yeah, it's super cute.
Really nice modern stair rail, and I like this wood. You don't see this color wood in tri-point much.
No, it's really pretty.
One of the other faves of these builds are these windows.
All of the windows in a tri-point or on point. I love the built-ins too. That looks really nice.
Yeah, this normally people have this as the dining and that behind me as the living, but you know, like Mitch Hedberg said.
No, they don't. No,
maybe I'm wrong.
No, they don't.
Well, like Mitch Hedberg said, it should be up to me how many bedrooms my house has.
Jeff always wants to make every room something else. So.
Yeah.
He's backwards. Wow.
So 8-foot doors, recessed lighting. They have the cool roll down blinds, which I really like.
Yeah.
So this seems like a smaller island than the typical.
Well, some of them come with the smaller island, and then they have some that are extended.
Right.
Yeah. So this one isn't as long.
These cabinets are really pretty.
Yeah.
I like this.
And it looks really nice with the quartz countertops. Let's see. Nope.
So nice double oven, 42-inch uppers. I like that there's a window.
Yeah, I love a kitchen window. That's so nice.
Good looking fridge.
And the backsplash is really well done too.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it matches the rest of the house really well, but it's very subtle. Like it's not, a lot of times people put crazy stuff in there.
The fridge stay?
Yes.
Step out to the backyard. Double sliders.
Oh, this
really
is
like
nice.
that.
Yeah, I love these sliders. That's amazing.
Good looking.
Wow, this is a great backyard.
Cover. This is a nice size backyard. A little bigger than the one that we filmed earlier. And again, if you go to our website, every video tour that we do of homes gets a tag of the square footage. So with this one, you'd be able to click through, and we've probably done, I would bet, 6 or 7
at least
of this floor plan.
Yeah.
You know what? They have a mini split along with the 2 AC units. So I'm not sure where this one's going to. May have done it right to the primary.
Yeah.
Really good looking backyard.
Yeah, it's a great backyard. And
I feel
like
it's the perfect size.
Is a cover, but it's not completely closed
off.
Uh-huh. So air can get in here.
I do like this.
Oh, and look, the neighbors have lime trees.
Oh.
Yeah, free limes.
Free limes. All the limes you want. Okay. So we are super close to, I guess Montagna Park would be the nearest park to this property. But keep in mind that Inspirada has 7 parks throughout. And if you've been thinking about a home in Henderson and you haven't checked out Inspirada,
you should definitely
really dig in. And there's no better place to look than our website, homesindinsperada.com. Step out to the garage. Oh, an EV charger. Oh. Okay, so the mini split was to the garage. A lot of times you'll see people turn these into like a workout room kind of thing. Soft water loop.
Lots of storage from the ceiling like that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. So as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here every week doing these tours, and our goal is to bring a video episode to you every day.
We're not overachievers or anything.
No.
This is your favorite kind of carpet.
It is. And this loft is so big.
Amazing. I love all the natural light and the corner windows. So pretty. Oh, you can see the mountains.
Yeah, in fact, you
can see the park.
Yeah, straight through those houses. And they do have pickleball there.
Jeff loves pickleball.
All right, so
This is the one that goes through.
Yep. And then, so you have your second full bath up here.
Nice.
Dual sinks, tub. So this would be bedroom number 2. So good size rooms. And the nice thing up here, you also have 9-foot ceilings. So closet with some organizers. And then this would be bedroom number 3. We've seen some people turn this into a workout room too, which is kind of fun. But now with your mini split downstairs, you know what you can do. So we'll head into the primary.
This is large. Recessed lighting. I love that.
And again, I love these corner windows. The one we just filmed this week had plantation shutters and kind of hides the fact of how cool those square windows are.
I love these kind of blinds. These are like the newest kind of thing to do because they're easy to open and shut, and it doesn't block all of the light, you know. All right. Gonna show them this?
Yes. So this is one of our favorite parts of this floor plan, is because the closet goes through to the laundry room. And then in a perfect world, and if you're one of those people that have everything together, you're probably not pulling anything out of the dryer. But when you have to post one of these videos every day, sometimes you fall behind and you have to make choices.
You have to do what you have to do. And I do love that there is a door, not only from the laundry room out into the loft, but also if you don't want people coming through here, you could just shut the door.
Yep.
And these are great built-ins.
Great built-ins.
Love.
So, and then this bath is great.
Yeah.
Big glass shower with a bench seat. You know, I think the garden tubs are kind of, I'm over them personally.
Yeah.
This is really all you need.
I only like them when I need some Epsom salt. But you have other bathtubs too, so.
And look how big this vanity is.
It's so nice.
About 9 feet long.
Yeah.
Dual sinks, full mirror, separate water closet. Leanne's must. So.
Absolutely.
As always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesindinsperada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this home or any other, just reach out to us. Leanne and I live out here, and we'd be happy to make some new neighbors and friends. Thanks for watching.